This 2025 Keystone Hideout 269DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, LP detector, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, awning, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, water heater, smoke detector, leveling jacks, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Hideout 269DB is 6,171 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.